Nakuba belidliva KwaZulu-Natal, Gauteng, Mpumalanga kanye naseLimpopo, kepha akekho okubikwe ukuthi ushonile kulandela lezimvula.
So far, there are no fatalities that have been reported. I've just received the report this morning. Yes, roads and low-lying bridges were affected in some parts of the country, but there is no severe damage so far.
Umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu uthi unezinhlelo zokubandakanya ezobuchwepheshe besimanje njengama-drones uma ngabe kuvela isimo esiyinhlekelele.
That is why now we are concentrating on the use of technology in advancing our response on disaster. Next year, we will be introducing in the cabinet a reviewed model in terms of our response on disaster. It's a joint project between the defense and COGTA.
Kusenjalo lo mnyango uthi angeke benikwe enye imali omasipala abangaphumeli obala ngokuthi yasebenza kanjani imali ababenikwe yona maqala unyaka.
If they cannot account how the money was used, or when we verify the projects, we don't find a project on the ground, we will not allocate further money on disaster management, but instead we will intervene through service providers in order not to disadvantage the community.
Lo mnyango uthi amathimba ezenhlekelele ayaqhubeka nokuqapha isimo njengoba lisaqhubeka nokuyidliva kwezinye izindawo.